In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MyFitnessPal not working. So if your FitnessPal application is not working, I recommend you to do first an uninstall and reinstall it back using your Google Play Store or your App Store depending on your device. If it's all not working, I have in here this help article from MyFitnessPal. So in here, it actually depends on which issue you have. So if the issue is not listed below, you can head over and uninstall and reinstall. Now, if your actual issue is you're asked to log in again when opening the app via widget, or if you have problems on widget, or if you're not receiving push notifications for reminders, you can actually just reinstall and install there. If not, you can head over and then just try to clear the app cache on your Android app, or if you have an iOS application, you can head over and then try uninstalling and reinstalling as well. If you have those issues, you can actually see that it's already fixed on specific versions. So what you can do is you can just make sure that your MyFitnessPal is on the latest updated version. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.